Hello everyone, welcome back to GK Today. I am Palak Khandelwal. Today we are discussing the top MCQ which are related to the banking, economy and finance current affairs of 20th of July 2022. So the series is beneficial for all banking exam aspirant. So which state cabinet authorized 100 free power units for the unprivileged people section of the society? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Jharkhand. So recently the Jharkhand cabinet approved the implementation of the old pension scheme and 100 units free electricity for poor people of the state. Okay, so now next question. Which state launched the State Public Service Delivery Commission integrated online portal? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Meghalaya. So recently the Meghalaya CM launched the integrated web portal of the Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission. Okay, so now next question. Where did the BIMSTEC Expert Group Conference on Cyber Security Cooperation take place? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is in New Delhi. So recently the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectorial Technical and Economic Cooperation meeting held in New Delhi. So basically India offered to train experts from BIMSTEC country to prevent and deal with cyber security breaches. Okay, so now next question. Who was appointed to the Alphabetic Incorporation Board, which is the parent company of Google? So the correct answer of this question is option A. So recently the Wall Street Matrice Jarvis is appointed the board of Google parent Alphabet Incorporation, adding significant finance muscle to the technological giant. Okay, so now next question. Who among the following leads the Department of Consumer Affairs Committee charged with the creating a framework for the right to repair? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Nidhi Khatri. So recently the Department of Consumer Affairs has set up a committee in developing a framework for the right to repair. So basically the committee will be chaired by Nidhi Khatri, who is the Additional Secretary of Department of Consumer Affairs. Okay, so now next question. Which bank has a memorandum of understanding with the RBI to strengthen their mutual cooperation? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is Bank of Indonesia. So recently the RBI and the Bank of Indonesia has signed an MOU in Bali, Indonesia to improve mutual cooperation between them. Okay, so now next question. Which bank has recently integrated technological with the new e-filing platform of the Income Tax Department? So the correct answer of this question is option D, that is Kotak Mahindra Bank. So recently the Kotak Mahindra Bank has completed technical integration with the new e-filing portal of the Income Tax Department. Okay, so now next question. Who has been chosen to serve as a technical director of Rural Electrification Corporation Limited? So the correct answer of this question is option B, that is VK Singh. So recently the VK Singh has appointed as a director of REC Limited. Okay, so now next question. Which bank collaborates with the NITI to educate and employ data engineers? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is HDFC Bank. So recently the NIT, Institute of Finance, Banking and Insurance, has announced a strategic partnership with HDFC Bank to build new age digital talent for the banking industry. Okay, so now next question. Which bank released the 25th Financial Stability Report, which reflects the collective assessment of the subcommittee of the FSDC? So the correct answer of this question is option A, that is RBI. So recently the Reserve Bank of India released the 25th issue of Financial Stability Report. Okay.